Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox and review these Kaido House Mini GT. Kaido House Mini GT number 48, Nissan Skyline GT-R R34, Kaido Works. I think this is a purple one. It says design in Los Angeles by Jun Imai, Kaido House LLC. Let's open it. So there are three colors of these: purple, white, and forget the other one, gray, I think. I choose the purple one. Yeah, well, something different. There's also a limited, like a special edition black one, only in Malaysia, Hobby Expo. So let's see what it looks like. Box is nice, purple. I have a few Kaido houses, cars. I haven't shown you guys yet. Kaido House, car culture for all scales. Nice. Kaido House here, Kaido House here. Whoa. Oh, this is huge. It's a very big R34. Very wide. Nice. It's a very wide R34, but I like the wheels. Look how deep is that rim. Very nice. These rolls. There's a roll cage inside. You can see. Nice. Pretty top rank. Awesome. There's a metal base. Nice metal base. Nice license plate. It's a super wide body, R34. As you can see, guys, it's awesome. I wish I could have bought the white one too. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. And yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And for those who subscribe already, thank you so much for the support. See you guys next time. Bye.